Hello students, welcome to online classes ZPHS A4 English Medium, Mandal Chityal, District Nalgonda. If object is placed at the distance from the convex mirror, what is the characteristic of the image produced by the convex mirror? Let us see today. This is the convex mirror, principal axis. If object is at an infinite distance, already you know about this, at least two rays should be parallel beam of light incident rays should be taken. I am taking two first incident rays is passing through the focus or focal point. It should be parallel after reflection. And another I am taking second incident ray I am taking which is passing through the center of curvature. It should be reflection back in the same way. When extending the incident after reflection rays, the point of intersection of two reflection rays which is made by indirectly, that should be straight to the focus or focal point. That should be straight to the focus point. So image forms at F and image forms, it appears behind the mirror. So it is virtual image. So now let us see the V distance. Image distance should be, because it is a behind of image is a forms behind the mirror, so image distance should be negative. V is negative, and V we can write as V is equal to minus f, small f, minus small f. Now let us see the second situation. If it is a convex mirror, if object is at a distance, a fixed distance from the mirror. I am taking some far away in before of the mirror. First incident ray which is parallel to the after reflection, it should be passed through the focus. Then after you take the second which is passing through the center of curvature, it should be reflected back in the same way. when after extending back of two reflection rays, the point of intersection of two reflection rays when extended back, that means indirectly the point of intersection is the location of the image. Image forms in between of P and F. So image forms in between of P and F, and behind it is a virtual image. Behind the mirror. So V is negative. Okay. Not at all. Object is at a distance from the mirror. It is some so far away from the mirror. It is very closer to the mirror. The same situation happens. Okay. The image forms in between of P and F only. By this, we can conclude that the convex mirror forms anytime a virtual image if the object is real. So we can say that the convex mirror cannot form the real image when object is real. Okay. The convex mirror cannot form the real image, never form the real image when the object is real. But is there any chance to form the virtual image in the concave mirror? Let us see now. This is a concave mirror. If object placed in between of F and P, object is in between of F and P, that means U is less than F. Let us see now. The object, if first incident ray is parallel to the principal axis, must be passes through the focus of the reflection. Then let us see now which is passing. The second incident ray you should take, which is passing through the center of curvature. It should be reflect back in the same way. So the reflection rays looking as a diverge after reflection, but when you extended back these two reflection rays, extension back, extended back to 2 reflection rays. The point of intersection, they should be converge at certain point. That point of intersection is nothing but the location of the image formation. So in the particular situation only, the concave mirror forms the virtual image, because it appears, the image appears behind the image forms behind the mirror, so it is